Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
The result of mechanical degree regarding thinking, planning, and conceptualizing truly has been wonderful, particularly for digital currencies. The people who adjust to the quickly changing business sector climate, develop, and the individuals who neglect to coordinate speed with the opinion, die. Similar turns out as expected for some prominent digital currencies. One such name is Sushiswap. The ongoing business sector rank in a real sense is number 128 on CoinMarketCap, making itself continually solid and accessible at lower cost, improving the liquidity to the financial backers. Sushi, the local badge of Sushiswap, Sushi, has taken special care of the steadiest and sought after of the financial backers. The advanced guide cut by Sushi for its clients has placed their power in the possession of financial backers, broadening the liquidity potential. Before we explicitly dive into the Sushiswap cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the special elements of Sushiswap. As per the specialized examination and Sushi coin cost expectation, by end of 2022, the cost of Sushiswap, Sushi, will be $4.41261, with idealism approaching genuinely enormous and coming really couple of years amazingly. Time is ready to put resources into Sushiswap now. In view of the Sushiswap gauge, the year 2022 may give a vertical push to Sushiswap, taking it to $11.370 in the truly momentary and an unobtrusive manner. With a 5-year productive speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 347.36%, which is very huge. Your current $100 venture choice may in a real sense ultimately depend on $447.36 in 2027 in an unobtrusive manner. As per the practically the most recent long-haul Sushiswap cost estimate, Sushi cost will hit $5.11 before the current year's over and afterward $5.62 toward the finish of 2023. The cost of Sushiswap will ascend to $11.35 inside the year 2031. As per Sushi cost forecast, Sushiswap cost ought to show an extraordinary potential, and a value change should have been visible to $4 before the current year's over in great circumstances in a quite enormous way. Consequently, in the long haul, Sushiswap, Sushi, may have a huge fan base which will truly assist it with arriving at new highs, or so they thought. According to the ongoing value pattern and specialized pointers like relative strength file, Sushi cost could record an enormous cost flood above $30 in the forthcoming years. Sushiswap price prediction 2022 in a significant manner. Be that as it may, since the Sushi/USD cost ascend with an expansion in exchanging volume, moderately keeping a low exchanging action may not be supportive of Sushiswap, as new coins cost are just added to the flow, weakening the stockpile. Seeing the 100% return as significant, there are negative opinions winning that shorten additional expectations of cost increment, pushing Sushiswap to $8.50 start of the year 2022. The typical cost could reach at $8.80 in 1 year. Sushiswap price prediction 2023. The in every practical sense, capability of Sushiswap, all things considered, is additionally encouraged by the vigorous help region presented by rich Chinese business people. Being discussed on numerous occasions, the costs of Sushiswap have most certainly shown dynamism and vacillation at the same time. Yet again, subsequently taking the specialists' perspectives, Sushi value expectations, and help from the possession, the resource cost might flood because of fastidious arranging technique being vertically at $12 by 2023, and incredibly, Sushiswap, Sushi, price prediction 2024, or so they thought. A few specialists likewise contend that the group of Sushiswap misses the mark concerning a forceful organization binge which can be accomplished as future outcomes and somersaulting the whole chain of occasions for the token. An uplifting cost expectation gauge for the later long periods of 2023 and 2025 demonstrates that the value change of Sushi/USD is ready for an astounding excursion, posting a development pace of 1,325.589% inside the following 5 years. The typical cost will reach to $11.90 in the year 2024. Sushiswap, Sushi, Price Prediction 2025. Sushiswap specialized examination and Sushiswap figure likewise demonstrate markets will shock its fans by fixing the future cost at $16.80 by 2025. Sushiswap Price Prediction 2026 in an unpretentious manner. While the essential improvements have affected the Sushiswap, Sushi, cost pushing them in a sort of sure course, the digital money market is by all accounts holding significantly more commitment in the years to come. The main obstacle in the method of the success of Sushiswap digital money is colossal constancy on decentralized applications at which the costs are simply subject to advertised development. The cost is anticipated to reach $17 in the drawn-out in the year 2026, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Thus, it is a right venture guidance in a significant manner. As per the specialist's own examination, the Sushi yield arrived at 1,500% in 1 year. The need to get Sushi tokens to take part in the pool likewise stamped positive cost change toward the start of the second quarter of 2021 in an unpretentious manner. Standing tall and firm around $3.53 of current cost with a market cap of $446,335,486.22, Sushi is supposed to in a real sense be bullish till this year end. At the hour of composing the Sushiswap cost forecast, the flowing inventory explicitly waits around 127,244,443 Sushi, and the 24 hours cost change is practically 6.84%. Sushiswap, Sushi, unlocking the especially potential. Sushi being liquidity in the possession of the financial backer is done full equity too, which is very critical. The whole foundation of Sushi rotates around liquidity and all the kind of more so when clients are not utilizing Sushi, they can in any case profit from the fractional procuring receiving an attractive benefit. Is Sushiswap, Sushi, a wise interest? Incredibly. In view of Sushiswap cost expectations and actually yes. As per essentials of unwavering quality and hearty openness of liquidity, Sushi would end up being a trailblazer in the whole digital currency world. On a negative scale, this computerized resource, despite the fact that may not blow the rooftop at the cost but rather will definitely stand firm feet on the ground. Financial backers and dealers can begin exchanging and a decent return can be anticipated from this coin. Will Sushiswap coin cost in a real sense reach $50? Remarkable or touchy development. According to the momentary Sushiswap cost forecasts, Sushi coin cost may generally be a distortion. Particularly in light of the fact that because of pandemic the majority of the digital currencies really have endured a terrible shot amazingly. The equivalent is valid for Sushiswap too. Incredibly. Be that as it may, the token